All right, Mal, do the intro.
Hey y'all, Molly here. We are at Beltzville Lake, right?
We are at Beltzville Lake. Obviously special guest here today. Molly won't be doing any fishing. I'm gonna be doing the fishing, and I don't really know what's in this lake. I do know that we're at a stream, and this stream feeds into the lake. So we'll see what we can get on. Hopefully a good multi-species day. I think that's my goal, but we will see. Enjoy, and before we turn it over to fishing, look at this awesome waterfall that we found. One last side note, this water's like crystal clear. I don't think I've ever seen water this clear in my life. Enjoy. All right, we got to a little spot here and it is crystal clear. It is beautiful back here, y'all. And there are fish. You've seen smallmouth, some type of sunfish, and a rock bass, but we haven't been able to get a bite. I don't know if it's too clear. Maybe they see me. But we've gotten bites, we haven't caught a fish. We've used the Ennis theta, we've used the itsy bitsy minnow, I've used the panther martin. Those are some of like my best performing lures. And if they don't work, because I think the fish are a little smaller, what do?
Change spots.
We're gonna try one last lure here.
Okay, one more, you're right.
And it's going to be the...
Eurotackle.
I already used that, it's the Ennis theta, remember? We're gonna switch to the trout magnet, y'all.
That all your friends make fun of for.
Yeah, because I can't pronounce it. But we are going to switch to the trout magnet. I think they're green sunfishes. I want that darker one to grab it. He's got a bigger mouth. Yep. Yep. They're all so cautious.
Yay!
It is
Oh my god, it's so little.
It's a green. It's a really pretty green though.
Oh my god, it's such a baby.
Look at it. The colors on this guy is beautiful.
He's so cute.
Should we let him go?
Yeah.
Cool. Should we try to get one more out of there?
Sure. Oh, you didn't throw him back with his friends.
He's gonna go right around.
Oh.
He's gonna meet back up with them. We are going to move on from this spot. It has plenty of fish. They're very small. I've caught 2 green sunfish, caught a rock bass, and one got off. Wasn't recording for the rock bass, but that's okay. And we saw some smallmouth, but they just are not looking at anything, so we're gonna move. All right, we did a spot change, and I am loving the way this looks. This is like what I dream of. We deserve a fish here. I got injured trying to get to this spot. I'm not complaining, but you know, other men would have had to be airlifted out of here. I'm not being dramatic. Oh! Bluegill? Not at all what I would be expecting. I mean, what the heck? That's not right. Bluegill? Weird. I'm gonna see you later, bud. I'm not going too close to the edge because I don't want to spook them. Gosh, this is just beautiful water. They say no swimming here, which actually probably is a nice thing. I don't know if they... Oh, babe. We got a big one. Oh, help, help, help. Should have grabbed the net. No, no, no. Let's go. Mountain Smallie. I'm so happy. What a beautiful fish. Beautiful fish in a beautiful spot. Where's the sun? Oh yeah, let's go. Mal, can you take a quick picture?
Sure.
On your phone?
Yeah.
All right, y'all, well, just like that, we went from this spot was a cool fishing spot to this is a cool catching place. Let's let our beautiful smallmouth friend go. Whew. All right, y'all, I gotta say, mountain streams, crystal clear water, monster, and smallmouth. Does it get any better? That was awesome. Not the biggest smallmouth we've ever caught, but a nice size one. And just in this stream, so fun. Crazy, they're all green. Oh, Mal. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah, you saw that? Did you see it?
Yeah.
So this is, no. Alright, it's like baby. The big smallmouth actually came in. Well, it's not our species, it's a largemouth. Cool. Boy, this day really did turn around. We, this little spot actually has been the only thing that's produced for us today. This is my favorite type of fishing. I think everybody on the channel that has followed me knows that I'm in heaven right now. And for those of you who might be new, welcome. Thank you for watching. My name's Jimmy. I catch small fish and sometimes medium-sized fish. Oh, I got one still. It's our friend, the redbreast. Bye, buddy. Oh, oh, Mal, net, help, help, net. Mal, help, 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 help. Uh-oh, uh-oh, I need, well. Oh man. Mal, do you mind getting a picture for me? Let's take a look at our friend. Man, it's awesome having somebody here to help. Where's the sun at? Maybe this way? No, this way. It's a nice sized bass. Not a monster, but sweet. I love this little hole. Having a lot of fun with the small jaws here. Oh, I see you, bud. All right, people, hook is removed. Fish is beautiful, little tank. And we're gonna release him. Chunky buddy's been eating.
Okay, I'm gonna go back to bed.
Thanks for helping with the net. That is a wrap on today. I've got to say, I love these Pennsylvania mountain streams. They are so incredibly pristine. And even in the beginning of the video, we weren't catching a lot. We were having a good time just because it's so pretty out here. And we just powered through. So for 2 hours, fishing was rough. And all of a sudden the bite turned on. And we took what was gonna be a great day into a fantastic day. This has gotta be one of my favorite days of fishing. And who knows, maybe it's just because I'm not out here a lot, right? I think this is my first mountain video, but it is worth coming out here. I mean, it's not that far from Delco. It's gotta be like an hour and a half. And I just had a great time. So definitely wanna come back and hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. See y'all.